What up, though? It's your boy Common Sense, man. And we already know that common sense isn't common. Alright, so yesterday, man, I told you guys that Apple was on its way to 218, and that's exactly where it's heading to. Right now, we're looking at the daily chart, and the daily chart is very much bullish. Now, excuse the lines on here because the lines is my own personal due diligence that I've done for myself, and I'm not finna erase it. I see some as I'm looking at this, so I'm going to draw this trend line right here. If this trend line hold, then I could expect the run never to go under this trend line. We might have some pullbacks if it starts just coming up like this and just start coming back down, but hopefully it respects this trend line. Now, this is a bullish candle right here. We're on the daily chart. This is what we want to see if you were bull in the Apple on the Apple market. Now, let me say something, man. I made a play yesterday, and I ended up winning. And again, man, I'm fresh when it comes to being profitable. I'm very excited about that, man. That was a major goal. I had to dig out of a hole. I lost a lot of money, and now I'm starting to gain my money back. And shit, man, it's a good feeling, and I feel like I'm clicking on all cylinders right now. The discipline is there. My fundamentals is there. My analytics is there. And I've been on the road, man. You know what I'm saying? And you might not know, but if you on this journey and you already a successful person, then you might know like how you feel like you got it, but you like, I ain't got it yet because my money ain't adding up to it. You feel me? But trust me, that's where I'm at right now. I'm like, I feel like I got this shit. I feel like I understand it now. And the fact that I just became profitable for the year, bro, is confirmation to me. You feel me? So, anyways, man, yesterday I said that Apple was going to go to 218. And so it didn't go to 218 yesterday, but it was in the correct direction. So if you would have betted with that direction, you definitely could have won or got you a dub yesterday. Alright, so yesterday I told you guys if Apple come above 213.85 and come back down to retest it, I said this, you can check the video, retest it, it was gonna go up. So I end up getting the play. And in my play, right here, let me zoom in. Right here, soon as this green started crossing this line, I jumped in. Now, I bet heavy when I went in. So emotions was everywhere. I ain't gonna lie. So I really didn't make the full potential money that I could have made, but I wasn't tripping because I bet so heavy that this small move was a good dub for real. But I ended up getting in right here and rolled it up literally right here at the top of this. Literally at the top of this. Because I felt like shit. The momentum, once it passed this line, should have took off. I'm talking about super fast. And it ended up being a good decision because it ended up pretty much consolidating for real before going up and then consolidating again. Now, like I said, I bet a lot of money, man, so I would have been a nervous wreck all right here. This is unhealthy. All this is unhealthy. You would be hella nervous. This right here, this area right here will get you gray hairs. This area right here, I would have loved to have been in this area. This area right here would have made me feel like I was on my way to my success and shit. If exactly how I vision my life, this right here would have had me feeling high as hell. And I ain't talking about drugs. I'm just talking about life. High off life right here. And then back to the stress levels. But at the end of the day, man, I ended up winning some money. I'm very grateful for that. That play was definitely on point. And part of that play being on point is because I also always, and you should too, look at the SPY. Keep up with the SPY, because what the SPY do, top 500 companies like an Apple, probably 8 times out of 10 will do. Okay. Now I seen a cup and handle. What was that cup and handle that I seen? I want to say it was. Let me see. This was 9. This was yesterday. Let me go to a different time frame. Right here. It was forming better in the 5-minute time frame yesterday, but I don't know. It got so much work. It might just change up a little bit. But right here was a cup and handle that I seen, and it stopped somewhere where. Right here. So from this point on, let me draw something. From this point on was the cup and handle I felt like was forming. So I knew that this SPY was going up. And so that helped me make a decision on Apple potentially going up. And that's what it ended up doing. Now, like I said, the SPY and Apple is still bullish, people. So unless the charts start saying something different, because listen, you got to understand, you never can predict this shit. I don't even like talking to people that talk like they can predict this shit. Talking or listening to people who feel like they can predict the moves that's finna go down in the stock market, because no one knows. So with that being said, motherfuckers need to be a little bit more humble and be saying shit like could, possibly. Don't be saying no shit. I don't want to hear nobody talking about it's going here, it's going here. Nah, brother, you're a little too confident. And confident might be the wrong shit, because having confidence is not bad, but just being too sure when you're not sure. You sounding like you 100% on something, but it's not 100%. So if, let's just say the SPY end up coming back down to, man, I'm going to say, I want to say 518. Right here. If the SPY end up coming below this 518, oh, we back bearish. That's some shit that we don't want to see. But it closed above yesterday's, because we in the daily chart. It closed above yesterday's high, and that's a good thing. So I can see the SPY coming right here. When you doing these charts, man, every time you touch a line, that's the new resistance or the new support. So the fact that this is SPY is right here, the next time I touch a line, bow. I round that off and say we going to 537. And the charts is saying that it's bullish. Listen to the charts, not your hearts, and not nobody else. I mean, Dan, they don't even listen to me. This is just educational purposes, for real, for real. Like, somebody might be, because I'm not the best trader, but somebody might be in a level where they're at the beginning stages of this process, and they can be doing a studying, and I can be showing them something, and they might understand it. It might help them. You know what I mean? It might confirm the way that they was thinking about something. You know what I'm saying? Understand this. This shit is hard. This shit gonna take a lot of hard work and dedication, for sure. A lot of losing money too. For years. Yep. So at the end of the day, Apple is still bullish. Apple is still going to 518. The play yesterday checked out great. The SPY is bullish. The SPY is going to 537. If it can close above, I don't know, shit. If it can close above, I don't know, 533 is right there. All right. I'm your boy Common Sense. Like the video, because liking the video is more important to the YouTube algorithm these days. Like the video if you felt the content. I'm doing what I always do, and I'm signing off. Peace.